As you guys might already know, Xiaomi has released its lineup of laptops in India. Their base 14-inch model starts at 42,000 rupees, while their top 14-inch Horizon model will retail for 60,000 rupees. After seeing all the reviews from top tech channels like Geeky Ranjit, Igyaan, Techburner and C4Etech, I feel Xiaomi's offerings are strange. Let me tell you why. The first strange choice by Xiaomi is the non-upgradable 8GB RAM. Now Xiaomi is marketing this laptop as a premium thin and light laptop. The top 14-inch Horizon model has a Core i7-10510U processor, which is a 4-core, 8-thread, 15-watt processor. It is a very good processor for a thin and light laptop. It has an NVIDIA MX350 GPU, which is not the best mobile GPU out there, but still gets the job done. It has a 512GB NVMe Gen 3 SSD, which will be super fast. But when it comes to RAM, it is just 8GB RAM, and what makes it worse is that it is non-upgradable. Yes, that's right, the RAM is soldered onto the motherboard, so the RAM can never be upgraded. This makes me wonder at what audience Xiaomi is targeting these laptops. Is it gaming? No. The MX350 is not a powerful enough GPU to run modern games at high settings. Is it aimed for the content creators? I don't think so, because the minimum RAM requirements for Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, DaVinci Resolve and just about any other video editing software is 16GB. 8GB might be enough for programming, but that is also just barely scraping by. I think Xiaomi missed a very good opportunity here by not offering 16GB RAM or an option to upgrade the RAM later. The second strange choice that Xiaomi has made is the non-backlit keyboard. This can be a real problem if you are not comfortable typing without looking at the keyboard and you are typing in a low light situation. Could they have offered a backlit keyboard at 500 rupees extra? Probably. But did they? No. I wonder why. This brings us to the final and probably the most strange choice by Xiaomi, the detachable webcam. This design choice by Xiaomi is so strange that it makes me wonder what were the engineers thinking while designing this laptop. Let me explain. Suppose you decide that you will leave the webcam permanently attached to the laptop. But then I think that the lid won't close fully and there is a chance that the webcam might break if you decide to keep the laptop in your bag with the webcam attached and the lid closed. Fine, so you leave the webcam detached and attach it when you have to be on a video call. But then there is a chance that you may forget to carry the webcam altogether. Then there is also the chance that someone might steal the webcam from you since it is detachable and pretty pocketable. Sure, they achieve 91% screen to body ratio and all, but I think they have a solution to a problem which was not a problem in the first place. Instead, they could have increased the height of the screen like normal laptops, which would have resulted in a better wrist support near the trackpad. Now I know no laptop is perfect. There will be compromises and Xiaomi is no exception. When it comes down to you choosing which laptop to buy, it is you who needs to decide. On paper, Xiaomi laptops offer a hefty price discount to similarly spec'd laptops from other manufacturers like Dell, HP, Asus and Lenovo. And if you are willing to live with the compromises with no option to mitigate them later, then the Xiaomi laptop lineup offers good value for money. For others, you are better off with getting fewer specs now and then upgrading later. With that being said, it brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below if you resonate my thoughts or do not agree with them. Also please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. My name is Vaibhav and I will see you guys in my next video.